What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So let's quickly go through my stock market account. I have my dividend portfolio, but I want to go through exactly what the performance is today because certain things have performed pretty well. And I want to talk about those things as we go through that portfolio. So this is another update. Shouldn't be super long, just to give you an understanding of exactly where my portfolio is, how it has performed over the last 3 months, and where we stand on the current day. So guys, if you could hit the like button, please do so. Hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, if you guys want to check out any of the links that I have in the description, if you want to sign up for Robinhood and get yourself a free stock, feel free to use that link in the description. But let's talk about this. Let's talk about my portfolio, which my portfolio currently stands at $8,319.84. Now, this is my dividend portfolio, right? Within this dividend portfolio, as we do see it grow to a level of like 25,000, 30,000 or whatever, I will do like short-term trades in order to maybe add more to the overall dividend portfolio and consistently just bring more volume to this or bring more movement to this, more money to the portfolio so that I can easily capture the dividend goals that I really want to. But in those dividend moves, a lot of times I don't typically expect these to move too much because I'm investing into dividend paying ETFs and maybe some stocks here and there, but then I'm investing into some REITs as well. And I just feel like it shouldn't move as much as we are seeing it. In the last day, it's up 1.6%. It's up $131 over that last day, which is phenomenal growth, which is, again, something I don't typically see in positions that I'm just holding. But if you're holding growth positions that all grow together, it can make sense why they all start to kind of compound together and you see those gains. Now, I did have some losses that were pretty substantial as well, but overall, it's a pretty substantial gain over the last 3 months. But if we look at the last day, it's up $132.40 or up 1.6%. Up to $8,320.90. If we look at the last week, it is up $334.19 or 4%. If we're looking at the last month, we can see that this is up $445.47 or 5.6%. And if we look at the last 3 months, we're going to see that it's up 7.19%, up $558.30. So it's up quite a bit over the last 3 months. And I'm really excited about that. It's up 7% over the last 3 months. Now, if we look at some of these things that have been performing today and why we are seeing this substantial growth today of a 1.6% gain within the portfolio, you're looking at Ford that's up 7% on the day. It's up to $12.12. I only have 22 shares, but that was worth $20 or $200 and now is worth like $220 or something like that. It's worth quite a bit here. I do have 46 shares of ticker symbol O, which is up 2.49% today, up to $58, and at which that's like $2,000 worth. So I definitely have a substantial amount of that with that gain. Microsoft, it's down 2.3%, but I only have 0.34% or 4.34 shares of that. I did recently invest in another $1,000 worth of SPHD, which I have 43 shares, 43.75 shares there, but it is up 1% on the day. So that's a significant gain with that as well. If we scroll down here and we look at Nike is slightly up. You're going to see Walmart that is 1% down. You're going to see PRF that's up by 1%. I have 6 shares of that. 10 shares of SPYD that's up 2.57%. 20 shares of FDVV that's up 1%. DLR is down by 2%. I only have 1 share of that. SCHD is up by 1.5%. I have 12.75 shares of that as well. And JEPI, which is a newer position that I had, I bought 10 shares of that, which is currently down by 0.37%, down to $55. So ultimately, things look good in this portfolio. The fact that we're insanely positive here, I'm excited for what this can be in the future. but this is not really showing the amount that I'm gaining in dividends. But the point is that I'm not only gaining in dividends, I'm also gaining in the overall percentage of the position and how the position is moving. And seeing Ford that's up so much, it doesn't mean that it's going to stay up that much, but Ford is definitely moving today, being up by 7% on the day from this low here of 11.25 up to where we are at 12.10 or so. And if we look at the last week, it's been performing pretty well, up 12 or 13%. In the last month, it's up 16%. In the last year, it's actually down 4% overall. So it's kind of playing catch up to where it was in the past 3 months, I guess. In the last year, though, it is still up about 29 cents or 2.39% there. So ultimately, things look good for this portfolio. I'm excited about it and where it can go. I will keep you guys updated as to where it is and how this looks day to day. If we don't have another video that we're bringing up, we'll talk about the market. We'll talk about the stock market and exactly where my dividend portfolio stands. But this is a portfolio update. Hopefully you enjoy it. Make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. If you guys want to sign up for your own Robinhood platform, feel free to use my link down below. Get yourself a free stock, and it could be valued all the way up to $200. That would be amazing. But I'm going to get out of here, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.